Good morning, students. This is the last topic, and the topic name is impurity defect. Impurity defect. Impurity defect means the defect in which the defect in which different different atom atoms are present at the lattice site at the lattice site in place of in place of host atom is called impurity, right? Example is that if silicon is there, right, and we introduce arsenic impurity in silicon, then arsenic displace silicon from here and present at the lattice site of the host atom. So this is called impurity defect. Next is doping. What is doping? Addition of impurity. Addition of impurity in crystalline solid. Crystalline solid so that its properties changed. Its property is changed. This is called doping. And impurity defect is of two types mainly. First is introducing impurity defect in covalent solid. Covalent solid means in covalent solid we add impurity. It is of two types. First, doping with electron rich impurity. Doping with electron rich impurities. And second is doping with electron deficient impurity. First, we will discuss doping with electron rich impurity. Doping with electron rich impurity, and we can say it is also called n-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor. On here, when we doped higher valency element doped in lower valency element. So this is called electron rich impurity, means the impurity having higher valency or higher group. In short, we can say that impurity having higher valency or contain or higher group member. Higher group member. For example, silicon is there. This is the perfect silicon crystal of silicon. We know that silicon is 14 group member. Silicon is 14 group member. And the perfect silicon crystal is Si 1, 2, 3, and 4. Its octet is complete. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And when we add the impurity of 15 group, means electron rich species is there. This is electron rich, and its valence electron is 5 because it is 15 group member. Then this different group occupy the lattice site of host atoms. It displays this Si atom from here and occupy lattice site like this. Then arsenic have 5 valence electron. Arsenic have 5 valence electron, right? And its 4 electron is satisfied by 4 silicon atoms, which is surrounded by arsenic. Means 4 atoms which is present around the arsenic. But one extra electron is there. One extra electron is there. Extra electron is present. And this extra mobile electron is present in N-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor. Is it clear? This is perfectly crystalline solid, and when we add the element of higher group like arsenic, then one extra electron is there. One extra electron is there to conduct electricity. To conduct electricity. This type of defect is called N-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor. And the direction of electron is this one. Flow of electron is there. Means minus to plus. The direction of electron is negative to positive. So this is called N-type semiconductor. And on here, doping silicon with arsenic. Means arsenic is doped in silicon. The first N-type semiconductor means in which higher group element is doped. Higher group element means electron rich species is added. Means impurity is higher group element. And second is on here extra mobile electron is there. Extra mobile electron is there, and it is responsible to conduct electricity. So due to this defect, electricity is increased. Clear? So this is called N-type semiconductor. And second one is doping with electron deficient doping with electron deficient impurities. Doping with electron deficient impurities means when the perfect crystalline silicon crystal is there, and when we add the element of lower group like boron या aluminum means 13 group member. We know that silicon is 14 group member, and when we add impurity is 13 group member. 13 group member means 13th group member means and silicon are there. Then what will be? Aluminum is there. We know that the valency or valence electron of aluminum is 3. Clear? The valence electron of aluminum is 3, and the silicon have 4 electron in its outermost shell. One pair, one electron is shared by this silicon, and this one. But aluminum has only 3 electron. So one hole is there. One hole is there. This is hole. Clear? This and 1 electron of silicon is there. 1 electron of silicon is there, but it is called hole. Electron hole is there, right? And this electron hole is responsible to conduct electricity. This electron hole is responsible. This electron hole is responsible to conduct electricity. Clear? And the first P types, it is also called P-type semiconductor. It is also called P-type semiconductor. In this type, lower group element is doped. First of all, lower group element is doped. It means impurity is lower group element. First. Second is hole is created. Hole is created. And this hole is responsible to conduct electricity. This hole is responsible to conduct electricity. And third one is the direction of hole is towards negative side, right? Because hole carry positive charge, so it moves towards negative charge. So this is called P-type semiconductor, and the diagram is this one. First, this is perfectly silicon crystal, and when we add aluminum, then aluminum displaces silicon from here, and this aluminum is there, and hole is created because aluminum have 3 electron in its valence shell. This hole is responsible to conduct electricity. Clear? Here, the question based on N-type and P-type is, first question is select based on N-type and P-type semiconductor is. Select N-type and P-type semiconductor. Question number first is silicon doped with boron. Then silicon is 14 group member and boron is 13 group member. If lower group member is doped in higher group member, this is called p-type semiconductor. Second is silicon doped with arsenic. On here 14 group member and arsenic is 15 group member. If higher group member is doped in lower group member, this is called N-type semiconductor. And the another example is germanium doped with gallium. In this case, germanium have 14 group element while gallium have 13 group element. It means if lower group element is added to higher group element, it is called p-type semiconductor. Next one is germanium doped with arsenic. In this case, we know that germanium is 14 group element and arsenic is 15 group element. And when we add higher group of element to lower group of element, then it is called N-type semiconductor. So this is very important. And thank you. Chapter is completed.